Good morning, children. Today we are going to discuss about the districts of Western Coastal Region and districts of Malnad region and districts of Northern Plain region and districts of Southern Plain region, and also how the climate and vegetation are there in Western Coastal Region, and what are the geographical features of Western Coastal Region, and which are the main cities are there in a Western Coastal Region, and which are the main minerals available in the Western Coastal Region, and what are the wild animals are found in the Western Coastal Region, and what are the main occupation and crops that are grown in the Western Coastal Region. So in the same way, what are the which are the main cities are there in Malnad region, which are the main minerals available in Malnad region, so which are the main wild animals that are found in the Malnad region, and which is the main occupation crops that are grown in Malnad region. So how the climate and vegetation are there in Malnad region, what are the geographical features so are there in Malnad region, and also along with what is the name of Western Coastal Region, what is the other name of Western Coastal Region, and which is the main occupation of the people of Western Coastal Region, and also match the following. So before going to discuss these two things, just we recall what we discussed in last class. So in last class we discussed about the which is our country and how many states are in our country, and which are there. So you know about the many districts together form a state, how the states are formed, many districts together form a state. A country is an area which has such states together. Okay, a country is an area which has such states together. So India is our country. So now study the map given below. This is a map of India. Okay, this is a map of India. Okay, I think now very clear. Many districts together form a state, and many such states together form a country. So here India is our country. Okay, this is a map of India. Okay, so name of the states. So here first one, Andhra Pradesh, Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Bihar, Chhattisgarh, Goa, Gujarat, Haryana, Himachal Pradesh, Jharkhand, Karnataka, Kerala, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Manipur, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Nagaland, Odisha, Punjab, Rajasthan, Sikkim, Tamil Nadu, Telangana, so Tripura, Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, West Bengal. Okay, so all these are the states that are present in our country. I will once again repeat it. So the states which are present in our country are India is Andhra Pradesh, Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Bihar, Chhattisgarh, Goa, Gujarat, Haryana, Himachal Pradesh, Jharkhand, Karnataka, Kerala, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Manipur, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Nagaland, Odisha, Punjab, Rajasthan, Sikkim, Tamil Nadu, Telangana, Tripura, Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, and West Bengal. Total number of states in our country is 28. So the direction in which Karnataka is situated in the map of India. So in south direction the Karnataka is situated or located. Okay, Karnataka is our state. So there are 30 districts in our states. Okay, you already know about this. So in previous classes. Okay. So along with each state has special physical features. For example, hills, coastal area, etc. So we have already learned different physical features on the basis of physical features. Okay, on the basis of physical features and climate, our state is divided into 4 natural regions. So first one, Western Coastal Region or Coastal Plain. Second one, Malnad region. Third one, Northern Plains. Fourth one, Southern Plains. Okay, I will once again repeat it. Our state is divided into 4 natural regions on the basis of physical features and climate into 4 types: Western Coastal or Coastal Plain, Malnad region, Northern Plains, Southern Plains. Okay, now so the districts of Western Coastal Region. So Mangaluru, Udupi, Karwara. So the main cities or districts of Western Coastal Region are Mangaluru, Udupi, Karwara. So the districts of Malnad region are Madikeri, Chikmagaluru, Shivamogga, Hasana, Belagavi. So the districts of Malnad region are Madikeri, Chikmagaluru, Shivamogga, Hasana, Belagavi. So the districts of Northern Plain region are Bidar, Kalburgi, so Dharwada, Hubbali, Gadag, Vijaypur, Raichur, Ballari, Bagalkote, Koppala. Okay, The districts of northern plains are Bidar, Kalburgi, Dharwada, Hubballi, Gadag, Vijaypur, Raichur, Ballari, Bagalkote, Koppala. So the districts of southern plain region are Davangere, Tumkur, Chitradurga, Mandya, Chamarajnagara, Kolara, Mysore, Bengaluru. The districts of southern plains region are Davangere, Tumakur, Chitradurga, Mandya, Chamarajnagara, Kolara, Mysore, Bengaluru. Rural and urban. Okay. So now let us study or observe the picture. This is a picture. So we should, from this picture, we should know or learn about the western coastal region. Okay. So western coastal region. So now first, so what are the geographical features of western coastal region? Okay. Yeah, western coastal region. So the area along the Arabian Sea, on the west of the state, the area along the Arabian Sea. So yeah, it is also called, that means western coastal region also called as Konkana coast. So this is about 240 km in length. Okay, western coastal region are also called as Konkana coast. So this is about 240 km in length. So next, which are the main cities are there in western coastal region? Karwar, Mangalore, Udupi. So Karwar, Mangalore, Udupi are the main cities that are present in western coastal region. So next, which are the main minerals available in the western coastal region? Iron and manganese. Iron and manganese are the main minerals which are available in the western coastal region. So which are the wild animals that are found in the western coastal region? So land animals such as bat, snake, jungle fowl, so wild boar and woodpecker. Okay, all these are the land animals. Aquatic animals such as prawn, sea crabs, fishes, starfish, shellfish and sea cucumber. Okay, all these are the wild animals that are found in the western coastal region. And which is the main occupation and crops that are grown in the western coast? Fisheries is the main occupation, and fishery is the main occupation of people living in the western coastal region. And paddy, coconut and arecanut, cashew nut are the important crops that are grown in the western coastal region. Okay, fisheries is the main occupation of people living in western coastal region, and coconut, paddy, arecanut, cashew nut are the important crops that are grown in the western coastal region. Climate and vegetation. So in next class we discuss more things.